What's the meaning of calypso? Calypso. Calypso.
Calypso. Calypso. Calypso refers to a style of music and dance that originated in Trinidad and Tobago in the early 20th century. This genre is characterized by its lively rhythms, witty lyrics, and social commentary on issues such as politics and culture. Calypso music has gained popularity globally, influencing various musical styles, including jazz, ska, and reggae. The term calypso also refers to a sea goddess in Greek mythology, known for her untamable spirit and cunning personality. Overall, calypso represents the cultural richness and diversity of the Caribbean region.